Hello, dear multicellular organisms. Welcome back to our zoology class. In today's our zoology class, we are going to discuss information regarding one of our guests, and that organism is Nereis. So let me see what information about this Nereis is we are going to discuss in today's video. So first of all, we will go through systematic position or the classification or the hierarchy level of Nereis. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Annelida, Class Polychaeta, Order Arantia, Genus Nereis, Species Pelagica or Exillosa. So the scientific name of this diagram or our host is Nereis pelagica. Coming to the distribution, worldwide distribution, especially this is found in the burrows and shallow water and low tide regions in the marine habitat. So coming to the habitat is, it is marine, found in burrows, free swimming, solitary, this is not sedentary. So coming to the comments or characteristic features, Nereis pelagica body is long and elongated, tube-like, segmented. Segmentation we could observe here. The segmentation phenomena is known as metamerism. So body is dorsoventral, anterior-posterior, triploblastic, unisexual, sexes are separated, that is called sexual dimorphism. Towards the anterior region, we have jaws, pair of eyes and tentacles and peristomium and prostomium also we could observe. Under the prostomium, jaws, tentacles and eyes we could observe. Coming to the peristomium, special structure mouth is located, and from the peristomium the remaining parts will be arranged. So basically our Nereis body is divided into head, trunk, anus, anal region also known as pygidium. Remember, this is important one. So anus has a prominent, anal region has a prominent anus on the anal segment. So anus ends with one special structure that is called anal cirri. Then coming to the next part, setae. So here generally locomotion done with the help of a special structure called parapodia. Each and every segment has one pair of parapodia. These parapodia, they have special type of structures called setae. They are slightly sharp structures. So these both are helps in the swimming. Circulation is closed circulatory system. Prominent gut is developed, in the sense digestive system, which starts from mouth and ends with anus. So here, well, sexual maturity we could observe in both male and female organisms. So we could observe one more special part that is called peristomial cirri. So anal cirri and also peristomial cirri we could observe. Whenever these male and female Nereis reach the sexual maturity, and the stage is known as heteronereis. So here excretion done by special structures called nephridia. So here this is named as polychaeta, nothing but poly means many. So here we could observe more number of chaeta because it is known as polychaeta. So here development is direct, no larval stages are involved, and this is living in the burrows. Saprophyte. So the dead and decayed small particles or substances are feeded by this Nereis excellosa or pelagica. The common name is ragworm. This is ragworm. So these are the comments. Then coming to the final step, identifying or recognizing characters. How could we go through in the sense? Segmentation, setae, tentacles, peristomium, anal cirri, and prostomium and peristomial cirri, especially that hetero Nereis phase, in the sense the sexual maturity phase, anal segment and phygidium, and the body is separated into head, trunk and phygidium. Based on these all comments, we could identify or recognize this organism as Nereis pelagica or vexillosa. So dear multicellular organisms, this is the topic in today's our class. In next class we will meet with one more beautiful topic. Thank you. Good luck.